Hello crafty people, welcome back to my channel and thank you for joining me today. So I'm back. I gotta get crafting. Seriously, I gotta get back to crafting, guys. Actually, I've been crafting. Y'all could just see my mess in my craft shed out here. It's just I gotta clean up before I start doing anything else. I'm sharing a swap with you that you've seen in the title. And I have another swap that I'm going to be showing before I ship that off later this week, which is another swap that I hosted in my group on Crafty Middlers on Facebook. But this swap I've been wanting to do for a long time. It's kind of like the one I did, the collaboration swap, the craft kit swap. Okay, this is just one, a craft. I mean, it's a craft kit, but it's like one big kit. It's not like for one particular item or something like that, like we do with flowers and cards and things like that. So again, this is a craft kit swap, and we had to put together a kit that contained papers, some craft paper, more or less. I don't think I expressed that in the yeah, I did. Cardstock, cardstock. I can't talk. A stack of paper that you can make yourself or bought or whatever, but it has to be no smaller than 6 inches. It could be bigger, but it has to be at least 6 inches. And you had to include at least 8 embellishments, or not embellishments, but 8 other oh god, I can't think. 8 other essential things to go in the kit. Okay, I added, I think, 12 to mine. You could add or more or less, but you had to have at least 8. And if you had a certain number, I mean, if you, I gave a list of ideas that they can add, and with that list, when I added like flowers, if you had put flowers, you had to have at least 10 or something like that. So let's get on with it. First, I want to show you the paper stack that I used, and it is this stack. I got it from Michael's. This is Recollections hot buy paper, and it's really pretty. It's pastel-y, and this is really not my thing, but I've been in a swap with a lot of other crafters that like her, so I pretty much bought this stack of paper for our swaps. So I did use that. It's my first time using it, and this is the paper that I used. Now I took, I think, 6 or 7 different types of paper, sheets of thick cardstock, and I cut them up in evenly into 6 squares. And there was a one piece or one sheet that was had these 4, so this is perfect. So I put these in there too. I cut these up. Dream in color. Don't forget. Be a beautiful soul. And this is where you can write notes on it. So I cut that up, and that's 4. And then this was a sheet that I cut up in 4, so it's 4 sheets of that, and it had to be at least 24 sheets of paper. And then this is another one, a sheet that I cut up, and this one, this is like holographic, and they're pretty, so I like that. And then this one is like streak paint or something, lavender or purple. This is like a pastel-y background with a flower print in it in white. Let's cut that up. And they can make cards or a mini album or something out of this, and then that piece. So yeah, so that is the paper that I used. I cut up and 6 inches, and it's more than 24. But you had to have at least 24 sheets of paper in there. So I actually, it could be more or less, but it had to be at least. So that's the paper. And then I also took a cut apart sheet from, I gotta get that close. And it's a cut apart, and I put the cut apart in there, so that was pretty. She can stamp something on there. And then this more of the holographic. Was it just silver? I can't tell. Yeah, it's holographic too. Isn't that pretty? And then all of it's holographic actually. So that. So I had to put a cut apart piece in there too. That's all of that. I really like this paper. I'm gonna go back. I actually like it. Gonna go back and see if I can find another. If they have some more of this, and buy some more of it. And that's that. Okay, so that. And so these are the things that I added into it. I added some doilies, and I think it's like 6 in here, or something like that, 5 or 6, something like that. Like again, there was a limit of what, you know, something like this that you could add. And I'm pretty sure I put the limit here. I don't know how many it is, probably 6 or 8, I can't remember. But I added some doilies. And I made some tool bows. This is the first time I ever made these. So these were fun to make. And these were just really, really cute. So I had to go get some more colors. I had a couple of the colors, but then I said, well, I need more colors, just those two. So I went and bought some more tool, which wasn't that much. And I made 2 different colors in here. 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it's 5 colors. So there's like 10 bows in here because I made 2 of each color. So these are some tool bows. It was easy to make. I just looked up a couple of videos on YouTube and figured out how to make those. And I made some rosettes, which is 6 of these crepe paper rosettes. And these, again, everything has to match. The paper has to coordinate. So I went through my stash on this. You know, I have this color, and so I made some that. And I added some trim, and it had to be at least 18 inches long. So this is some trim, this is some pink lace and some other, I'm not taking it out, guys, but you can see that. But that's some white trim. That's pretty. Again, that's 18 inches. And then I come across this, and I went ahead and added this too. This is a little thing of bling. That's I had to add in there. And I added some flowers. Now you guys see, I can see I just did simple packaging, because normally when you get a kit, it's not all packaged individually, so I just did simple packaging. So I put some flowers in there that, again, that also match with the paper and everything. And these are the flowers that I had. And so it's like 5 of each color. No, 6 of each color. So there's a total of 18 flowers in here. I think I had to add like 10 or 12, something like that. But I added more than what I was supposed to. I mean, than what was required. So that's that. And then I made a little mix of shaker mix. And again, this is supposed to coordinate with the paper. I want to open it up because it's a whole bunch of different kind of elements in here. Sequins, chunky glitter, beads. Yeah, this is like a fun mix to put together. I kind of hate that the one thing glitter, it had like the really tiny fine glitter in there. And if I known that was in there, I want to put that in because see how it's coating the bottle. And I don't like that. So, I mean, it was in with the chunky glitter. And I didn't notice that it was the smaller glitter that was sticking to the thing, something like that. If I knew it was like that, I would have put that clean thing in there before I put it in there. But I didn't know that small, tiny glitter was going to be in there. But anyway, I still like the mix. So it's cute. And, well, I'm going to have to open these because this is multiple thing of different things. Okay, so first I added some samples of washi tape. And I think it had to be 18 inches, but I added more than was required, so it's a lot of washi, different things of washi. And I come across some washi that I had in my stash. Let me see if I can get it in the camera. And it matches it, and it has holographic on it too. Like, oh, that's perfect. So I added that. So again, I just went through my stash, and I went through and I picked out some colors that would go good with the kit. And then I added some little gems. They match, and they have a bit of a holographic coating on them. So I added a whole bunch of those. I added some word beads. And is that. I ordered some, added some, that. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I got interrupted. But yeah, this is what I put together for my partner, and I hope she likes it. So I gotta get this shipped out today. I don't know what I was thinking when I set the date to have it shipped on the 23rd, which was yesterday, on a Sunday. I must have looked at the wrong month or something. But anyway, I had already let my partner know that I was going to try to ship it out either Friday or Saturday. Didn't get to because my grandkids are here, so I gotta get this shipped out today. So again, guys, thanks for joining me. I hope y'all enjoy the swap. I hope my partner likes it. It was fun putting this together. It was fun crafting. Again, I really gotta get back into it. So yeah, so thanks for joining me, and y'all have a crafty day. Bye.